Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite book subscription boxes. This is called the Literary Book Club, and it is a quarterly subscription that will feature an exclusive book along with additional gifts. This is an over-the-top experience. In my opinion, this is very classy, and I love that it's quarterly because it's a very special treat whenever I receive it. And I have with me the winter box, which is Jane Austen, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this unboxing and check it out today. So this is what your subscription box will look like. I mean, is it not cute? Like, already from the packaging, it's giving me everything, and I just love that. But the Literary Book Club is quarterly, like I mentioned. I do have a link listed down below, and I also have an exclusive $5 off discount code for you guys. So you can save $5 off of your first box. Now, it ships out quarterly, and the book will change along with the gifts every single season. So this is the winter 2023/2024 box. I do personally subscribe to a lot of book subscription boxes. I think I have like 4 or 5 that I receive on a regular basis. I share my book boxes occasionally. I don't do it all the time because I enjoy them so much that these are like my personal favorite treats. But this one I'm so excited for. I've been waiting to film it with you guys because I just think the idea of redoing a classic and doing Jane Austen is going to be amazing. So when you open up your box, it's going to look like this. And I'm telling you guys, every little detail in this box is all related. Like, they're very cohesive. They put so much effort into these boxes that it's like you're getting a letter from the past, and it feels like this vintage box, but in a very modern way. So on top, I have a couple of items here that we're gonna look at first. So the first thing that I have is a little card that says to show your box off. You can actually tag them on Instagram with their QR code, and that way you can share your box with your friends and see what it looks like. The next item that I have is what you will receive in every one of your quarterly boxes. You will actually have a letter inside of an envelope that talks about your box, the author, the book that you're receiving. All of the information about that box will be inside of this envelope. And then they're going to have a wax seal that's stamped on here. The quote is from Jane Austen that says, "I shall be miserable if I have not an excellent library." My dream, you guys, like seriously, if I could build the house of my dreams, which this probably won't ever happen, but if I could, I want the library that's so tall that you need one of those ladders that you have to push around. Like, call me crazy, the Beauty and the Beast scene where Belle is on the ladder in the library, I want to do that. Like, that needs to be me. So inside of our envelope, we have our card, and this is going to be the book that we have for the winter season. So on the back here, it says, "Shy young Fanny Price is sent to live with wealthy relatives at Mansfield Park, where of her 4 cousins, only Edmund shows her any real kindness. When the wealthy, flirtatious Henry Crawford and his vivacious sister Mary arrive in the neighborhood, Fanny's world is thrown into disarray. Edmund falls under the spell of Mary, while Henry declares his love for Fanny, but the path to happiness doesn't run smoothly." The other item included on the top here is a little envelope. Typically, this will include the featured bookmark for that box. So inside, I've got a sticker that you can include in the book if you would like to, and then you can put like your name in it, like belongs to type of thing. We also have another sticker here that will have a quote from the book, and you can see this theme. Notice how it's all cohesive and relating to each other. And then this is the featured bookmark. It is exclusive to this box and this season. It will change up with every quarterly box. So the book inside of our winter box today, like I mentioned, is Jane Austen. They are not recreating the story. If you've already read this book, it's going to be the exact same thing. However, they have given it a facelift. So it's got a whole new bindery experience. You've got these gold pages on here. It is a hardback book. You've got this gorgeous print that's been exclusively made for this subscription box. It also will have a bookmark included inside of this, and then it's going to be stamped along the spine as well. The actual print on here is 3D. So it's lifted off of the book itself. You can kind of tell that it's raised up. Quite a bit of texture with this one. It retails for $25 if you were going to purchase this exact rendition. Oh, I love the sound of that. I love opening new books. Oh, it's so good. I told you guys, I'm such a book nerd. Like, I love the creaking of the spines and it's just great. Now the pages are awesome because they're all glossy and they're thick pages. So I love that because they're not going to tear easily, and it just feels like it feels expensive. It's such a great sensory experience with these books. And this is the only subscription box out there that takes classic literature and puts it into their quarterly boxes. Now, if that wasn't enough fun on its own, you also receive gifts along with the book, and all of your gifts are going to be labeled with page numbers. So when you get to those page numbers, you'll open up your gifts and you're actually going to have something that correlates to the story. Normally, I would not open these because I like to open them as I'm reading, and that is the experience. But because we are an unboxing channel, I am going to be opening them today. But if you order this box, just know I am revealing spoilers here. So if you don't want to see what these are, just skip ahead in the video. First item that I have is gooseberry candies. These are hard candies with sugar and they're gooseberry flavored. I love this. So it says that these are all made in North Carolina. Oh, I love it. It's 4.5 ounces of our gooseberry candies. Our next little baggie here has got a candle inside of it. This is a hand-poured soy candle called the Library, and it's 25 hours of burning time. This is in a black metal tin. Ooh, this is not what I would have pictured for a library at all. It doesn't smell bad, but it smells like bathroom fresh, like powder fresh. That's the scent I get with this. Our next bag says to open it while you are reading. So typically you're gonna receive a tea bag in here. That way you have something to enjoy while you're reading your book. So we'll see here if that's, yes, that is the case with this one. So yes, we do have a decaf tea blend here. This makes 1 cup and it has rose petals, lavender, chamomile, and vanilla essence inside of this one. This one's pretty. It says open when the last page has been read. I feel like I'm cheating opening this. We got another book. This says The Black Moth. Really? We got another book in here. So when you get finished with your book, you have another one to read. The next gift is supposed to be opened on page 191. There's another quote here from Jane Austen on the front of this packaging. This one is definitely a cloth of some sort. Let me see here. Do we have, it's like this really big napkin. Ah, look at this. So it's actually a tea towel and you have a hook over here that you can use to hang this up with, but it's a watercolor print and it says, "But indeed I would rather have nothing but tea, Jane Austen." So this is what it looks like here. I'll try to hold it up so you guys can see the whole thing. It's pretty though, I like the way it looks. You're also going to receive an art print included with your box. So it is sealed up in here, but you can actually frame this if you want to. You can put it on a poster board. But again, it's going to have the quote from Jane Austen and you've got this same rose design that's been included on everything. So that is everything inside of my literary book club for winter. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this subscription. But this one, it's just done so well. The roses are beautiful. I love the cohesiveness of the collection. I'm so excited for Jane Austen. I mean, she's amazing. I love this one. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!